And the sum of first p terms. Sum of p terms of AP is A, sum of q terms is B, and sum of r terms was C. Right, beta? And we have to prove A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q, R minus P plus C by R, P minus Q is equal to 0. This thing we have to prove. So what we can do here, first of all, sum of P terms. So it means sum of P terms, the formula will be P by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Is that better? So P terms are there. So instead of N, you will write P. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 1 is equal to A. Now from this equation, we can do one thing. A by P we need. What we need? A by P. First of all, we can do like this. A by P. So you can shift this P. So 1 by 2 you can write 2A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to A by P. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is your equation 1. Now come to second equation. We need P by Q. So we will divide both the sides. Children, am I audible, beta?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see Q minus 1 into D is equal to B by Q. This is your second equation. Now sum of R terms is R by 2, 2A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C. So now in the third part, in third term, we want C by R, right? So C by R, so we will divide both the sides by C by R. By R, so it will be 1 upon 2, 2A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C by R. All have understood this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is children, what do you have to do? See, now you will multiply this equation 1 by which term? Q minus R. Okay? You will multiply equation 1. So you will write equation 1 multiply Q minus R. So multiply. So both the side Q minus R by 2. 2A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to A by P Q minus R. Now this will be equation 4. Now multiply second equation by R minus P. Multiply equation 2 by r minus p. R minus p, right? Let me check. Yes, r minus p. We have, so r minus p by 2, 2a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to b by q into r minus. This is your equation 5. Okay. Now third is multiplying equation 3 by which term? P minus q, beta? Right? So now P minus Q by 2, 2A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to R by, oh sorry, C by R. So P minus Q. This is your equation 6. Now, in the question, what you have to find? Now we have to add them. So now you will be adding equation 4, 5 and 6. So write, add equation 4, 5 and 6. So now I'm writing left hand side first, right hand side first. A by P, Q minus R plus B by Q, R minus P plus C by R, P minus Q. Right? Now write the left hand sides of all the equations. So Q minus R by 2, 2A plus P minus 1 into D plus R minus P by 2, 2A plus Q minus 1 into D plus P minus Q by 2, 2A plus R minus 1 into D. Now your next step will be you will multiply beta. Now solve right hand side. So your right hand side will be multiply 2A into Q minus R plus Q minus R into P minus 1 into D divided by 2. Right, beta? Now in the same way, second fraction, 2A divided by 2. 2A into R minus P divided by 2 plus R minus P into Q minus 1 upon 2 into D. Now last is P minus Q into 2A upon 2 plus P minus Q into R minus 1 into D by 2. Okay, beta? Now we will solve it. 2 cancel. This 2 will cancel. This 2 will cancel. So now AQ minus AR. Now here plus AR minus AP. Now multiply this plus AP minus AQ. So this all will cancel, beta. Right? Speak, children. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now multiply, beta. Now I am taking D common from all these three terms. So multiply P into Q. PQ minus Q minus RP plus R. Now come to this. Plus QR minus R minus PQ plus P. Now last is plus PR minus P minus QR plus P into D. I have already written. So PQ cancel.
Ma'am, by 2 also, ma'am.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, by 2 also, no, ma'am.
Yes. So all terms will be 0. So you will get 0. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So this question has lot of simplification, right? So note it down it, children. Then we will proceed to next question. And see, children, this question already came in your board exam. In 5 marks. So kindly focus on your calculation part, beta, simplification part. Do more practice. Children, may I scroll down? You all have written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you scroll up, ma'am? I'm writing.
Up, beta, down?
Up, ma'am.
Okay. Where are you?
Ma'am, that for SP value, ma'am. Like SP, the first one.
The value of A by
Yes, ma'am.
P.
Ma'am, that till there, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Done, children? May I scroll down?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, Siddharth. Children, all have written?
Ma'am, just a second, ma'am.
Yes, Pranya.
Ma'am, over here, ma'am, I had this doubt. Like until here, the red part, ma'am, which you wrote, it was fine, ma'am. But later, how did the 2A go here and it, like how did all of that be cancelled?
These type of questions, beta.
No, ma'am, over here, how did 2A and all of those come in and get cancelled? How did the 2A transpose towards this side and
Your voice is not coming clearly. Can you write in chat box, Pranya?
yes, ma'am, sure.
Yeah, beta. Because I guess today I'm facing network issue. Children, all have written. May I proceed to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
One minute.
Okay, Kashvi.
Done.
Pranya, see here, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I have written, I'm explaining one fraction. Okay. So, see, Q minus R by 2 and 2A. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when you are multiplying, 2 get cancelled.
Yes, ma'am.
And you will multiply this A by Q, it will be AQ and AR. Got it, this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
And see, Q minus R is there, divided by 2. And inside, suppose P minus 1 into D is there. right? Then you will multiply d by 2, we can take common. So when you are going to multiply q minus r into p minus 1, d by 2, we have taken common. So just you are multiplying pq minus pr plus r and minus q. Right, beta? So when you are taking common, then see inside the bracket are all terms are get cancelled. So 0 will be there. So d by 2 0 plus d by 2 into 0. Then answer will be 0. Now Pranay, it's clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So children, may I proceed to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Beta. Now next is the sum of m terms of an AP is equal to n. Question is, if in an AP, the sum of m terms is equal to n and sum of n terms is equal to m is equal to m, then prove that sum of m plus n terms is minus m plus n. This thing you have to prove. Okay. So this thing you have to prove. So any idea, children, how you will solve it?
Yes, ma'am. We can take S of m is equals to and write the equation
Yes.
equals to n. And then we do the same for n. And then we write this equation is equals to that equation and then solve it.
Yes. Very good, beta. So sum of m terms is n and sum of n terms is m. Right? Then you have to find sum of m plus n term. So you from these two terms, these two equations, you will find the value of a and d, and then just eliminate, or you can say just put the substitute the values of a and d in this sum of m plus n terms. Right? So start doing it, children. Moksha, Kashvi, Meher,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to solve? Siddhishri, Aryan, Sudhamshu, Siddharth.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, sum of m terms is m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d, right, beta? Is equal to
Yes,
n.
ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
then sum of n terms is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to f, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how you are solving it? First of all, you will transpose this m by 2 and n by 2 to the right hand side. So 2a plus m minus 1 into d will be 2n by m. Okay. 2n by m. Now this will be 2a plus n minus 1 into d will be 2m by n. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes.
this equation will be 1 and this will be 2. Now you can subtract it. Because we have got the same coefficient of a, 2, 2. Right, children? So subtract minus, minus, minus. So it will cancel. Now take d common. M minus 1 minus n plus 1 is equal to, now 2n by m minus 2m by n. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
This thing is clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
1 cancel. Then d m minus n will be equal to. Now different denominators are there. Then you will multiply. Your LCM will be product of these two. Now cross multiply when denominators are different. So it will be take 2 common, n square minus m square. Right, beta?
Yes.
Ma'am, take
Now,
that minus also common. Ma'am.
yes, beta, I will take minus 1. So m minus n is equal to 2 times. Take minus common. It will be m square minus n square. Right? So
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
value of d will be divided by mn also. Value of d will be 2 minus 2 into m plus n into m minus n divided by mn into m minus. So m minus n cancel. So value of d will be minus 2m plus n upon m. Yes, children. Have you got this value?
Yes, ma'am.
Now try to find value of a. Till here all have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now put value of d in equation 1. I am putting here only. Put value of d in equation 1. Now put 2a plus m minus 1. Value of d is minus 2 into m plus n upon mn is equal to 2n upon m. Right? Now solve it. 2a plus m minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 2 you will write here. Now multiply m square plus nm minus m minus n divided by mn is equal to 2n upon m. Yes, children. Is it correct? Tell me, children, is it correct? You all have got this value or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can divide whole equation by 2 because all the three terms contain a only. Oh, sorry, 2. So you will write a plus, it is minus. So shift this. So a is equal to n upon m plus m square plus nm minus m minus n divided by m. Okay? Mn. Now take LCM mn. Cancel n square plus m square plus nm minus m minus n. Now what can do here? What we can do here? So this is the value of a. Now find the sum of m plus n terms. So it will be sorry, m plus n by 2 into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute these values here. Now one more method is there, beta. I'm explaining that one also. Just put the values and multiply. Now second method is sum of m terms is m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n. This was given. Children, I am writing speedily. Now this is equal to m. This thing we have given, beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So second method I am explaining. Just multiply it by 2 only on right hand side. So multiply 2am plus m square minus m into d is equal to 2n. And then second equation will be 2an plus n square minus n into d is equal to 2n. 2m, sorry. Right, beta? This is your equation 3 and this is will be 4. Now second thing will be that you will subtract them. Subtract. Then on subtracting, minus, minus, minus. So 2a common m minus n plus, you will write m square minus m minus n square plus n into d is equal to 2n minus 2n. This thing is clear to all?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Take
Now, beta, 2a. Yes, beta?
take 2 common now.
Yeah, no, because here with d, 2 is not there. So we can't take 2 common on
No,
the
ma'am.
left hand side.
In that answer, ma'am.
On right hand
2n.
side, yes, I will take. So first of all, you will write m square minus n square minus m plus n. Into d, take minus 2 common. So m minus n. Okay, beta?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
2a m minus n. Now open this. You will take m minus n common. Then it will be m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 2 into m minus n. Now you can divide both sides with m minus n. So divide, you will get 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 2. This thing all have understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now sum of m plus n. What will be the formula? M plus n by 2 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. So see children, from equation A, we have got the value of 2a plus m plus n minus 1d is equal to minus 2. So instead of this equation, we will write minus 2. Got it, beta?
Yes,
2
ma'am.
to cancel. So your answer will be minus m plus n. So I guess second method is easy than the first one, right?
Ma'am, I was doing the second method, but then I got confused here, ma'am, near that multiply by 2 steps. So I left it.
See, beta, whenever you are you will be doing the practice of these questions, then you will get to know. See, when we are adding this, right? 2 and 2, I have multiplied just it. So I have got 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 2. So just I have put. And with this also we have got the same answer. But it will take time. This one. Right? So here also I have subtracted only. And second method also I have subtracted. See. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you scroll down a bit, ma'am?
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
So in today homework, I will give you this type of question only. Okay, beta?
Okay,
So try
ma'am.
to solve. And on Saturday, I will be sharing worksheet that will be containing only the previous year questions, PYQs. Okay, beta? Of this chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So all have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Writing, ma'am.
Oh, those who have written, they can leave beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, beta. Bye.
Ma'am, when will this chapter end?
Bye, beta.
Ma'am, when will this chapter end?
Yes, Meher?
When will this chapter end?
This chapter is going to end only. Actually, PYQs I am discussing now, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
So, Damshu, today you went to school, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what you did in the school?
Like the teachers were checking the functions.
Yes?
Like the teachers were checking the
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Completed, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.